मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी।
Arthur, does it help to have someone to talk to?
My mother always tells me to smile and put on a happy face. She told me I had a purpose to bring laughter and joy to the world. Hey, stop them! Is it just me? Or is it getting crazier out there?
Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by.
What?
If you smile to your fear and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow you'll find that life is still worthwhile. If you
What's so funny?
just
Freak!
Gotham's lost its way. What kind of coward would do something that cold-blooded? Someone who hides behind a mask.
I used to think that my life was a tragedy. But now I realize it's a comedy.
I don't think he intentionally made any statement in his film wanting to do it, but he liked the story and he would make the story. His importance was always on the story. And I remember my father telling me once long back, he said, you see, when my grandfather started off, there was a time when actors were employed by the company. So they got a stipend from the company. 250 rupees milta tha, picture hit or flop or they don't care. You get 250 rupees a month, you got to keep working. Then came my father's time when he broke off the system, and then he started working independently. In those days, Papa told me once that India had just got its independence, and there were very many stories to say. You know, the youth was very confused. They didn't know what, how, where they're going. So that's why Shantaram ji, Mehboob Saab, Gurudat ji, my father Khaja Ahmad Abbas, a lot of writers, Balraj Sani, they thought of new ideas and they made those kind of films. वो वक्त की जो फिल्में बनी हैं, आज वो फिल्म नहीं बन सकती. You can't make a दो बीघा ज़मीन now. You know, there's certain films that do not suit in this time today. But those days, the films had a voice that should have been heard and was heard.
जिस देश में गंगा बहती है, because that was a dacoit.
That was early 60s, yeah. Till that point of time, yes. And that really happened.
It really happened. Yes, absolutely. They came and surrendered.
Dacoits giving up their arms.
In fact, many became MPs and.
Yes, very true.
I mean, actual dacoits.
So, so that was that. I'm reminded also of an incident. You know, this June is going to be 30 years since my father passed away, and I was last.
In the microphone.
Yes, I don't think they won't be missing.
No, it has to be recorded.
Oh, okay.
They can hear you, it's a small hall, but
30 years in June will be 30 years since Papa's gone. And I was in Georgia, it was 6-7 months back, and I was in Tbilisi. And Dawood and myself have been in Tashkent, that is Uzbekistan. And even now, today's generation have exposure in the sense to, they can see Shah Rukh Khan in Aga Khan's film, they can see Kareena Kapoor, Karishma Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, they are grandchildren of Raj Kapoor. They are grandchildren. Oh, they see all the films, and why the youth still reacts on Raj Kapoor's films, we do not know. I've often asked the people, okay, why do they still like, because all the CDs, they still love to hear the songs, they love, and plus they have old attachments that my grandfather and my grandmother, used to sing, and he knew, and there are photographs. So Raj Kapoor is still alive in today's audience, which is amazing. I'm going to Armenia, to Yerevan on the 1st, and so is the case there. They want to do a Raj Kapoor show with his music and his films and everything, because still he is popular in today's generation, which has no answers. I have no idea.
that's incredible. Do you have an answer to that? That how does this transfer generation to generation to generation?
That's a mystery, really. We have often wondered and debated on this, that even the now generation identifies with Russia, in Russia, with Raj Kapoor.
Absolutely.
Maybe not so much in Moscow, not so much in Russia.
In the
but
interior of
also Uzbekistan,
And also definitely
Armenia,
Central Asian republics and outlying republics.
See, now Moscow has become very westernized.
Right.
Moscow is a little
Yeah.
America now.
So I don't think we need to rev up our films there. We need somebody to spend a lot of money and promote their films, and then we can start the same kind of business in Russia. What it used to be.
It used to be. Rajiv, you were saying something.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe not Moscow, but you see, when the Soviet Union disintegrated and became into different states and different countries, so he still, even today, for instance, like when you meet people from all the different countries which have become independent countries now, they still love Raj Kapoor, they still talk about him. Whether being not only particularly in the same country, but if you meet certain people who are overseas and they come to know that you're an Indian, especially when they come to know that you are a Kapoor, the first thing they talk to you is about Raj Kapoor, whether it be America, whether it be England, whether it be India. So, like Ranjit said, it's a mystery. But the impact that he had created in all his movies in his younger days still carried on in there, because those families also have a lot of values which are as good as our Indian values. That's why they still respect it, and they respect him, and he especially, because he made those kind of films, he went into their hearts, and they will never.
कुर्बानी दी। आज़ादी के 51 साल हो चुके और हिंदुस्तान में सबसे ज़्यादा मेरी नज़रों में ख़ासकर एक अहम व्यक्तित्व शोमैन राज कपूर, और जहाँ राज कपूर का जिक्र आता है वहाँ ये भी ख्याल आता है, जो सुनने में आता है, कि जाने के बाद किसी की जगह खाली नहीं रहती। उसी तरह से राज कपूर साहब खुद कहते थे कि शो मस्ट गो ऑन, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। ये कह के वो तो चले गए, लेकिन उनकी जगह आज भी खाली है। उनकी याद हमें बहुत ही सताती है, जैसे मोहम्मद रफ़ी की याद सताती है, मुकेश की याद सताती है, सहगल साहब की याद सताती है, हेमंत कुमार की याद सताती है, किशोर कुमार की याद सताती है। उसी तरह राज कपूर की याद बहुत ही सताती है। और जो लोग मुझसे परिचित हैं, मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं फिल्मों में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रभावित हुआ तो राज कपूर से हुआ, और राज कपूर से ही प्रभावित होकर मैं फिल्मों की ओर आगे बढ़ा और फिर फिल्म उद्योग में आया। राज कपूर का जिक्र इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि अब जो कार्यक्रम आप देखने जा रहे हैं वो ना सिर्फ एक ज़बरदस्त कार्यक्रम है राज कपूर की याद में, राज कपूर की गीतों पे, राज कपूर के संगीत पे, राज कपूर के अंदाज में तो नहीं, लेकिन एक ऐसा कलाकार आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा है जो ना सिर्फ देश में यानी स्वदेश में बहुत लोकप्रिय है, बल्कि विदेशों में भी बहुत लोकप्रिय है। और वो कलाकार के साथ साथ कपूर भी है, और वो कपूर आपका अपना कपूर है, हमारा, आपका, हम सबों का अनिल कपूर। और अनिल कपूर अभी आपके सामने राज कपूर की यादों को ताजा करेंगे। तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ अनिल कपूर का जोरदार स्वागत। अनिल कपूर।
जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे। जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे। चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो, चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे। जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन। सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी। हमें डर है हम खो न जाए कहीं, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी। अब मैं आप लोगों के सामने उस कलाकार के बारे में कहूँगा, उस कलाकार का गाना गाऊँगा जिन्होंने आज भी लोग उन्हें फॉलो करते हैं और आज भी उन्हीं का स्टाइल मारते हैं। देवानंद। देवानंद झूठा ही सही, पल भर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले, पल भर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले। झूठा ही सही, 2 दिन के लिए कोई इकरार कर ले, 2 दिन के लिए कोई इकरार कर ले। झूठा ही सही, पल भर के लिए पल भर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले। झूठा ही सही, झूठा ही सही, झूठा ही सही। बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो। जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो। जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। मेरा शशि अंकल, से न अखियां मिलाना, परदेसियों तो है एक दिन जाना, परदेसियों से न अखियां मिलाना, परदेसियों से न अखियां मिलाना। 1942 a love story. पंचमदा, आर डी बर्मन सब आज हमारे बीच में नहीं है, और उन्होंने जो म्यूजिक दिया 1942 a लव स्टोरी में, वो मेरे ख्याल से आप में से कोई भी नहीं होगा जो उसे भूल सकता है। कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, और अब ये गाना। नरमी की बात जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया, हो एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा। चूड़ी बोले, सनसनन पुरवा बोले, गूंजे ये धरती और गगन। पायली चुनमुन चुनमुन, झांझरी गुंजन गुंजन, कितना मधुर है ये मिलन। तेरा मैं तो तेरा